If CapCut keeps showing an exporting error that says not enough memory, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can export your project successfully. This is a super common issue, especially on Windows, and it usually happens because CapCut is using too many system resources, your cache is overloaded, or your export settings are too demanding for your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reduce memory usage, clear temporary files, and get your video exported without errors. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to disable hardware encoding. Open CapCut and look at the top left corner of the screen. Click the menu icon with the 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Performance tab at the top. Here, you'll see options related to how CapCut uses your computer's hardware. Find Speed Up Hardware Encoding and uncheck it. If you also see Speed Up Hardware Decoding, uncheck that too. These options can sometimes cause memory-related export problems, especially on lower-end systems or when your project is more complex. After turning them off, click Save to apply the changes. Now let's clear the app cache. Go back to the top left menu again and open Settings one more time. This time, click the Project tab. Look for the cache size section where CapCut stores temporary files to help your editing performance. Over time, this cache can get too large and start causing export errors or slowdowns. Next to the cache size, click the trash bin icon or the clear button. When CapCut asks for confirmation, click Confirm. Don't worry, this only deletes temporary cache files and does not remove your actual project footage or timeline edits. Clearing the cache is one of the easiest ways to free up memory and fix export problems. If the error still appears, the next step is to lower your export parameters. Click the Export button in the top right corner of CapCut. Before exporting, review your settings carefully. If your resolution is set to 4000 or 2000, change it down to 1080p. A higher resolution takes more memory and processing power, so lowering it can make a big difference. Next, reduce the frame rate to 30 frames per second if it's higher than that. Then change the codec to H.264, or choose the recommended option if CapCut gives you one. These settings are usually much easier for your system to handle, and they often solve the not enough memory error immediately. In many cases, just reducing the export quality a little bit is all it takes to complete the render successfully. Another important fix is to free up Windows system resources. Before exporting, close any heavy background apps that are using RAM, like Google Chrome, games, screen recorders, or other editing software. Even if they seem to be running in the background, they can still take up a lot of memory and cause CapCut to fail during export. If you've already closed everything and the issue still happens, save your project, restart your PC, and then open CapCut again. Restarting helps flush out memory that may be stuck in use and gives CapCut a fresh start. This is especially useful if you've been editing for a long time without rebooting your computer. So to recap, if CapCut says not enough memory while exporting, first disable hardware encoding, then clear the cache, lower your export resolution and frame rate, and finally, close background apps or restart your computer. These steps solve the problem for most users and can save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more CapCut fixes, editing tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.